4 or 5 things you need to know when you are looking for a barbering job. 5 things they look up to. Number one, your skills. Your level of skills is very, very important. You understand? When you are looking for barbering job to join, let's say you want to work with someone and do stuff, you are looking for your skills. Your level of skills is very, very important. Number two, ability to work under pressure. Ability to work under pressure also plays a major role, because imagine, standing on one client and you have like maybe 5 or 10 clients at your back. This is really, really under pressure. You understand? And number two, reliable. You need to be someone who is reliable. People can rely on you. Punctual. You need to be punctual. Anytime you need to be available for, customers. Maybe today they come, you are not around. The next day they come, you are not around. You need to make sure that you are available always. You understand? And communication. That's number four. Communication is very, very important. How to communicate with client, how to communicate with your colleagues, you are working with your boss, everyone around. It's very, very important. If you don't know how to communicate with, client or people, I don't think someone will employ you at his business, because you end up collapsing the business, because communication plays a major role when it comes to, you know, business growing or building a business. You understand? And lastly, respect. You need to respect. You need to respect, everyone that comes to you, either clients, friends, colleagues, workers, boss, any person, that comes across you in your space, you need to respect that person. So you understand? Professional barber, to be able to grow your business, grow your page, to get yourself to the top there, you have a lot of work to do. Uh, all the content creators, the top barbers, that you are seeing on social media, they have 1 million followers, 500K followers, 2 million, 3 million. They didn't just start one day. They started from somewhere. Some started 5 years, some started 4 to 3 years ago. Some started just 1 month and they are good to go. So make your mind that on this blue app, I'm talking about Facebook, you are here to make money. You understand? Not only on this app, wherever you find yourself, either TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, just make your mind that here you are here for money, and you need to build yourself to that standard. It's very, very important. You understand? Because at the end of the day, the work that you are doing, people are viewing it. I'm talking about your videos, talking about your pictures, your code, everything, whatever you know how to do, and you are posting it on social media. People are benefiting from it. So things that you need to do to also benefit from them, once they view your post or whatever you post, you will gain something from it, is to brand yourself, grow your page, get to the monetization point. Facebook will invite you, you monetize your account, then you start also making money. You understand? Don't always come and watch people videos and go. Try and also set up something that you can, make money out of it on this app. It's very, very important. This is your number one seller from West Africa, Ghana. Do well, follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook. Thank you so much for watching.